Hey guys, it's Thursday morning, 11:22, so the market is open. I just wanted to point out tomorrow what we're looking at for the end of the month, end of the quarter, end of the week, end of the year, um, tomorrow. And 4835 is the Black-Scholes model mean. So you can come over to your Quikstrike and pull up these pricing sheets. And I like to run this using the Black-Scholes model calc on the settlement. So that's the way I like to run it. And this is for Friday. This is ES. This is not the SPX. A lot of the professional traders trade the ES because it's cheaper. When they're making as many contracts as they do, it's less cost prohibitive for them to trade the ES. So we're at the mean, a little bit under it, and you can see the weekly ones, the JATS PT levels, are sitting right here, and that is providing the resistance right now. These gray lines are the Friday, end of the month, end of the week, end of the year, everything at the money, and that's 48.55 on the top and 48.10 on the bottom. Now, the implied volatility one line is at 4,800, and that's the line that everybody likes, especially on the SPX. We'll look at that in just a second, but let's put the 4,800 down here also because that's your 1-2 line. That could get hit tomorrow, I think, as market, takes a little profit taking off the table. So, but we don't know. We just put it on the chart and look at our other levels to see if there's anything around there. This is a weekly, and so we'd be looking at daily levels tomorrow. And likewise, around 48.70 if we think it's going to get that high. So just make a note of it on your chart the way I like to do that. Just put the 1, 2, 3s. I also want to look at the volume and look at the gamma to see where that's stacking in. So we can click on the number sign there and it'll pull up the volume for the contract. And okay, so we can see that big put down here at 4,800. So that's like the old maid card. It's sort of like sticking up, and it may act as that magnet drawing the market down to it, right? That high put, that high strike. Your high call strikes at 48.50, and we have 48.55 already on the chart. So, and here's the mean. So we're really looking at a world between 48.55 and 4,800 for tomorrow, all things considering. So let me minimize this and just show you an example of what some other levels might look at when you combine these distributions. This is your daily for today. So you can see we're sitting right on the current open, which is current open is coincidentally on that mean for tomorrow. And you can see we're right in the middle of my daily distribution. All right. And the weekly, providing the resistance, the weekly ones. We're also at the monthly twos, which I've been pointing out. Look at see how the distribution dropped, and we're just sitting right here. Do y'all see that? The distribution just dropped. Is that cool or what? So we're just sitting in that little pocket. That is freaky, isn't it? That is so cool. So these levels are dynamic, and they will change, and it looks like the range is contracting. Do you see that? So the quarterly levels, we are not sitting on top of a quarterly level yet. The twos are up here. In fact, that one of those implied volatility levels is sitting right under the quarterly twos. So our point range was reached, and then here's the extra. This is the hedge part from that getting over that collar, which was sitting right here. And all of this is the hedge part. Hit the threes, went through them with this big bull bar. So you could see that that hedge was on, came back, tested it, and then took off. And now we've reached the target, which, if you'll forgive me, it's not so much this weekly two on the ES. What is controlling the market is the SPX. And the quarterly three for the SPX is at 47.91.67. I can also tell you where I think it's going to close tomorrow, and that's at 47.96.28. So it looks like that 4800 is going to have a good shot for the close tomorrow. And so there you go, if that makes you feel better. All right, so let's see how far they get it below this mean. Just keep your eye on that and realize that that is the mean for tomorrow. And y'all have a great, great day, and we'll talk to you soon.